Are you ready to bring the excitement of basketball right to your driveway or backyard? Introducing the Lifetime 44-inch backboard and rim combo, a great choice for basketball enthusiasts of all ages. Designed for durability and performance, this backboard combo features a 44-inch Shatterproof Fusion Backboard made from high-density polyethylene, ensuring it can withstand the toughest games. The UV-protected graphics on the backboard resist fading, keeping your hoop looking great for years. Plus, the classic orange steel rim with a heavy-duty, all-weather nylon net is built to last, no matter the weather conditions. Installation is a breeze with separately purchased mounting kits, allowing you to set up your new hoop on a wall or a 3.5-inch pole. Transform your driveway or backyard into a basketball court in no time. Whether you're practicing your shots, playing a friendly game, or hosting a neighborhood tournament, the Lifetime 44-inch backboard and rim combo delivers a great basketball experience.